Hey guys, I'm back with another video, a new video series. Okay, I will break down my trade here, so pay attention, take notes, because I will cover most of my strategy. Okay, so as you can see, I just have two time frames. I just trade one pair Nasdaq and just 1 hour and half trading is my session. And yeah, this trade here was in less than 5 minutes. So the strategy is so simple. First I start with the 4 hour and I mark my POI zones where price react many times, etc. And I know I can't buy against this zone and I can sell against this zone, but between this range I can buy or sell. Okay, depends of the other confluences. So I drop to the 5 minutes. I have my obstacles or roadblocks, as you can say, and I don't trade the first candle that opened the New York Open. As you can see here, I don't trade this candle because it's too aggressive. It's like the slippage is giant. So yeah, I trade just the next candle after. Okay, and what happened here? I have here my POI. Before the session open, I had this zone here and this here, and price was between, right? And as soon as price open, New York in this open, Nasdaq closed below. Okay, as soon as price closed below my 5 minutes POI, I just set my limit here. Okay, and as you can see, price reject the moving average. Okay, this moving average is so clean, because if price is above, I only look for buys, break and retest to buy, but because this zone here is below the moving average, I can sell. Okay, so sells below the moving average and buys above the moving average, and I use fixed SL and fixed target TP, so 25 SL and 50 pips TP. Okay, and price hit the my limit order. Was a bit scary because price was huge in drawdown, but rejected the moving average. So what I have here, price came from a 4 hour zone and the next zone is the next 4 hours. So what I know here is I have the confluence from zone to zone. I have the confluence of breaking below 5 minutes POI, and I have the confluence of the closing below the moving average. So this is a clean setup. As you can see here, price closed below the POI and below the moving average, and next price just rejected so cleanly from the moving average and TP in less than 5 minutes, as you can see. Okay, I have a rule of break even. At 1 hour I move SL to break even, but in this trade was just too quickly. Yeah, this is my basically my strategy. Is so simple. I trade just 1 hour and half. Okay, two time frames, one pair, one trade a day. If this trade would be a break even, I'm done for the day, because what this strategy consists is the first break and retest during the session. So if the first break and retest is a loss, a win, or a break even, I'm done for the day, return to the next day. So this month I'm with the 7% gain with the 60% win rate, so it's going very well. And the last year the results was so crazy. So if you want to learn more, DM me on X, Instagram, on YouTube. So yeah, you have my details on description. So yeah guys, hope you understand this strategy. It's so simple. I can go in more depth or more details on DM, so DM me. And yeah guys, see you.